Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you HTML table, how we can create HTML table and what is HTML table. Table means we can arrange the data into the row and column into the HTML and it looks good on website. So I going to create one example and show you how we can create table. Basically in HTML we need to use table tag for the create the table, and with the table we also need to use three another tag. One is th, second one is tr, and third one is td. ts means table header, tr means table row, and td means table data. td used for create column, tr used for create row, and ts used for the table header. So let me specify here. And let me remove this one extra tag table. Now need to specify tr. Each and every row start with the tr, then we can specify th for the header. For example, I'm going to specify name and second th company. Now next tier is used for the specify data. So name is Sailesh and second td for the company LPT, Laravel package tutorial. Now let me save and go to the website and let's refresh, and you can see, but it's not looks good like table. So let me give some css to the table tr and ts. So I'm going to specify css with this style tag here, and I give the css to the tag directly tr and th, and give border property here 1 pixel solid, and specify color with the hex code. I'm going to specify ccc triple c. We can specify 6 times c as well as a hexa code of the color. So first one is width and this one is border type. We can specify different border type here, and let me save and refresh, and now you can see it's look like table. So we can create table easily inside the HTML. Let me show one another type for the border. Test, save, refresh, and now see border style is changed. Let me show you one another dotted. So you can specify a border to any element. It's not for the table only, but it's the border property, and you can use this css with any element. For example, any box, any div, any span. So you can specify with class and id. So that's one thing you need to remember and you can use. This is basic structure of the table. We can specify this tr inside the t head tag because this is table header tag. We can specify this thing into the table body tag. So this is good practice and this is the good structure of the table. Let me save and show you. no difference in table because it's not effect but it's structure. So you can create more and more here. Save and refresh, and you can create more column, adding one new table row. Also you can specify width and height, everything. Let me specify width so we can see big width column. Save and just refresh, and you can see here. So table head tag by default make header center. Also you can specify CSS for the render the text. If you want to render in center, just you need to specify one more CSS property, text align center, and you can easily center it. See, so you can easily create this table through all the text. If you want to merge two columns, you can do it. For example, I want to merge these both column. If I want to merge these two row of first column, we can do it using the rowspan and colspan. Let me show you the example. Now let me take first colspan 2, and I going to remove this one. Save, and let's see the output. See, this one is removed and now merge with full. If I not specify colspan and just add 1 td, then you can see it looks like space is there and only render in 1 td. And if I specify colspan and refresh, it takes full space. So you can easily specify colspan. Same for the rowspan. If I want to merge in row, that time I can specify and remove first td, and let's save and show you. Name is Silas and to company LPT and Ladumore is rendered. So you can easily do it. And let me show you one more thing. If you want to specify border directly to the text, you can specify border and specify 1 pixel, 2 pixel, whatever you want. Border is a attribute of the table tag, and you can specify it. It's tag color and style by default. So that's table, and you can create. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.